All right, guys, we made it over here to our big dam, and I went down to the end, turned around, coming back, guys, and our rabbit decoy has made its first catch. So we're gonna walk across this dam real quick, get over there and get that taken care of, show you guys what it is. I'm gonna take my little hammer troll with me, guys. I've got some just some beaver meat, some of my predator bait that I made up here. We're gonna carry it over there with us and use it to rebait that set here in a minute. Let's get over here. Let's get over here and see what that rabbit caught for us. All right, 330 still set here, guys. Our footholds up here on the top. Dam's getting hard to walk across. 330 still set here, guys. Our dam crossing foothold still right here where we put it. Let's see what we got. Big old dude there taking a nap. Yep. I'm gonna get this feller taken care of and get this set remade. He's got it tore up a little bit here now, and actually, guys, we didn't make a dirt hole here. We don't need any of that. All we had was a flat, basically a scent post set, and this dude was either checking that scent out or he was just the one using this trail coming down through here, because we just had this just basically a blind set here with a little bit of scent. And there's our trap bed and that trail, guys. We're just gonna clean it out. Get that trap reset. Just gonna get it bedded right back down in there, secured. Just bed that, push that mud and dirt around that outside edge of that jaw there, guys. And we'll just take some of this loose duff that's on the top here, and we're just gonna blend that trap in, guys. Come back in here and pull any sticks or anything that might get in between those jaws, pull those out. You just want it lightly blended in. You don't have to use dirt. Sift it over the top, guys. There we go. We're just gonna kind of open this trail back up. Build that side back up, guys. We'll take this little bit of stick right there. Right here's our trap jaws. We're gonna place that stick across that trap. And what that's gonna do is gonna make them put their foot down before that stick to be able to step over that stick, and hopefully that's right on our trap pan there. All right, guys, so that's remade. I tell you what, we got this bait right here. We carried it over here. We're going to use it. We got our rabbit sitting there. Just going to add just a little bit of scent to that rabbit, guys. We're just going to pull a little bit of this bait off here. Well, we're just going to shove it right up underneath that clump of grass there. We got our scent up here on top, and that set's remade. All right, guys, made it over here to the big dam. Nothing in our crossing. I can see my stick still sticking up here for the 330. My flag's still there on this foothold, just barely peeking up. But guys, we got a catch over here with a rabbit. And it's not what we were after, it's another non-target. And I know there's a lot of controversy in the trapping world about showing these incidentals. But you know what? If you're gonna trap, these incidentals are gonna happen. It's part of trapping. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do when I catch an incidental. Now guys, we got a foothold still here. And I'll show you why this animal isn't hurt whenever we get done. a young dog. It's got a collar, belongs to somebody. Guys, there's not many houses around here where I'm at. Hey, puppy. Hey, buddy. Huh? Come here. You ready to get out of there? Huh? You ready to get out of there? Come here. I'll get you out. Calm down. Come here, buddy. Guys, that trap's designed to hold the animal. You can see its paw there. There's no blood. There's no cut. Hey, puppy. Huh? Yeah, let's get you home. Let's get you home. Some little girl's probably worried about you. Huh? Somebody's probably worried about you. All right, don't you bite me. Huh? Let's get you going. Let me see that name tag and see where you belong. You gonna stay with me when we get done? A lot of times, guys, whenever you catch these domestic animals, they're gonna be your buddy. You're gonna turn them loose, and I've had them follow me around, and it's aggravating, guys, because you got all these sets out here. It's not what you're after, but it happens. That animal's just scared. It's not hurt, it's scared, because something that doesn't happen to it, never happened to it before, has just happened to it. Let's see if we can tell what your name is. Oh, I got a phone number. Hey, Dave. Dave, huh? Your name's Dave. All right, guys, so you got to be careful here, because that dog's scared, and this trap has been the reason for his being scared the whole time he's been in it. So we're just gonna, as easy as we can, don't you bite me, huh? We're gonna take down here and we're gonna release those springs. All right, pull your foot out, buddy. It's free. It's free. There you go. Come here, Dave. Come here, Dave. Now, guys, he's gonna be sore. He will be sore for a few days, but there is no cut on this animal's paw, top or bottom. He has just been held here. It's the very same thing as a leash, or chained in the yard, or chained to a post, or kept in a pen. We just put that leash on that animal's foot. You ready to get home, huh? So just sit here. Give it some time, guys. He's going to be happy to be out of that trap. You're happy, aren't you, Dave? You happy now? You finally get some attention. You've been alone all night. Now you got some attention. Huh? Huh? Yep. Let's get you home. Guys, I'm not even going to worry about resetting this trap right now. We're going to leave it right here. My other trap's still working right down there for the cat. All right, guys, we're going to get him back to the truck now. And we're going to go for a ride with him. We're going to call his owner, see where they're at, and get him home, explain to them to just watch his foot. He's going to be fine. He just learned a lesson. He'll probably never get caught in another trap again. And he's going to be limping on it for a few days. But he will be fine. Dave, you know what? This is a good reason to do the hand in the trap challenge. Let me show you guys. You gonna stick around, huh? Huh? Or are you gonna run home? Come here, buddy. Come here. Yeah, yeah. All right. So let's do this hand in trap challenge, guys. Traps do not hurt you. If you're under the impression that traps hurt you, they do not. They hold you. That's it. The traps hold you. So I'm gonna get this off of me. Guys, one hand's in the trap, so I'm gonna have to use my knee or my foot to get one of those levers. I have to use my hand to get the other side of that lever. There we go, guys. My hand's out of there. It is not cut. It is not broke. It is not hurt. I'm gonna go on for about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna feel the pressure of where that trap was on my fingers. And after that 5 minutes, I'm gonna forget all about that even happening. Let's get Dave home, huh? I'll carry you. I'll carry you, buddy. All right, guys. Good learning lesson. And we got one more location after we get Dave back home. And I'll check back in with you guys there. Oh, this is a tricky part, Dave. This is a tricky part. Hope we don't go down. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Here. Oh, there you go. There you go, guys. He's just going to favor that foot for a few days. Come here. Come here. But he is going to be perfectly fine. All right, buddy. That's your seat. That's your seat right there. Let's call Mama. Huh? You want to call Mama? Yeah. Let me see that number. Hello. My name is Chris Hathcote. Are you the owner of a little black puppy named Dave? All right. I've got... Oh, hey, man. Yeah, well, I've got him. Man, do you guys keep him at home? He's a long way from home. No, I'm actually up. I'm trapping beaver for up here just outside of Antioch. And I caught him in a trap this morning, set for a coyote. Is anybody at home? I'll bring him home. Okay. Yeah, well, you're right there behind your mom, aren't you? Okay. Is it the first or the second? Okay, I'll head that way and I'll bring him home then if you want to let him know I'm coming. All right, it'll take me a little bit, but I'm headed that way. Hey, no problem. All right, see you. All right, guys, that's simple. How about that? I ended up, because I talked to the community and I know where I trap. I know a lot of people around this area. I ended up knowing who the owner of this dog was. As soon as I said my name, he said, well, hey, Chris. So this dog is actually a long way from home. I'm going to say he's a good... I'm out in the middle of nowhere. You guys have been seeing where I'm trapping, a bunch of farm country. There's houses around, and I actually figured this dog probably belonged to a house just right here close. But this dog belongs to a house that's possibly... well, we'll just turn the miles on as we go. I'm going to say it's about 3 miles down the road, but I'll check back in with you guys when we get close, and we'll see how far from home this puppy is. All right, guys, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it or not. So 3.4 miles there, and I'm not all the way to this gentleman's house yet. But of course, it's going to be a little shorter distance as the crow flies instead of taking the ropes to get over here. But I'm getting close to his house. I'm going to get out here and talk to him and explain to them what happened. And if they're not familiar with traps, I'll explain traps to them, and I'll be sticking my hand in a trap at the end to show them that it doesn't hurt. And chances are they're gonna understand what happened. And yeah, hopefully we'll introduce someone new to the trapping world that hadn't been involved before. But guys, we're almost to 4 miles now. When I'm at 3.9. Whenever we get to this gentleman's house, we'll be 4 miles away from where I had that trap set. So yeah. All right, guys. So we still got a location to set that pond. I saved it for last because I wanted to run check that other dam about a mile up from where they're at. Time-wise, it's got with me getting a late start this morning, and Dave now. He's just sitting here comfortably, guys. I kind of like Dave now that we've taken a vehicle ride together. Anyway, I'm pulling up here at this gentleman's house. We're going to get out here and talk to his daughter, and we'll see you guys later. All right, guys, Dave was excited to get home. Well, actually, I think he kind of liked me too, because he didn't want to get out of the truck. He didn't know where we were at. But as soon as I reached in and grabbed him, there's about, I think, 3 other dogs that come running up there to the truck. And as soon as he saw them, recognized them, I put him down. And he took off running around the yard. Hell, he wasn't 100% running. He did have a limp, and he will have for a few days. He's going to be sore. But he took off running around the yard with them. And in a couple of days' time, he will be back to normal. And hopefully he won't forget it happened. But he's not going to be hurt. I don't even, my hand, it's probably been 10 minutes ago, guys. In my hand, I feel absolutely nothing at all. So yeah, trap don't hurt and dismember like the old TV shows and the movies that you watch. Anyway guys, made it up here to the dam. Today is not the day that the otters moved. What is that thing all muddy? It's gonna be a sibling to that other one we caught the other day, guys. Now, I don't know if I want to get down there like I did with Dave and try to pet this thing, but anyway, we're gonna get it taken care of. We're gonna get these other traps checked real quick.